What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trending Crypto. We're going to go over Jasmy coin today. If you're bullish on Jasmy coin, smash that like button because this thing is going to $1 plus, hands down. Up 4% today at 2.9 cents, $1.4 billion market cap with 48 billion coins in circulation out of 50 billion. You can find this coin anywhere. If we go to markets, we have 10 different pages of exchanges. So if you want this coin, you can probably find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, Jasmy to the moon, high to low, lifelong fib here. Lifelong fib still maintaining above that 382 area, which is fantastic. And on top of that, we're flirting with that 3 cents. We're at 2.9. We talked about that in the prior video, that 3 cents area from the micro fib, which, we really don't care about. I personally don't care about this long-term fib right here. I want to know where this thing's going short term. Where's the short-term resistance? Where's the short-term support at? Where is my money going to be going? So right now we are above the 786, which is amazing. This alone is super bullish. Look at how long we were below that 786, going back to end of February, beginning of March. So us finally breaking out of that towards the end of November is massively, massively bullish in itself. Now, nonetheless, if we draw a horizontal resistance area, which we're currently at, is about that 3.5 area. So that's the current area that we're currently going to be looking for, is 3.5 cents, which we actually wicked up to 3.2, it looks like. Yeah, we actually wicked up to 3.2. If we look at the indicators on the day chart, we're still bullish here on the MACD, making it a larger engulfing candle. If we look at the RSI, I said M's are bearish, W's are bullish, last one, but we actually put in a higher high here, which is fantastic, with a lot of room to run to the upside. So we do have a lot of momentum there. We're not even close to being overbought on the RSI. We are overbought, however, on the WTX, but I'm not too concerned about that. Look at Jasmy likes playing around in that overbought area, printing constant sell signals while continuing going up in price. So there's a couple different scenarios there. The main one on the very, very short term is from the high to low is getting above that 618 here at that 3 cents area. Now we are pretty much exactly at it right now at that 3 cents area. We want to break. Oh, let me actually make this valid. There we go. Made it valid to that bottom there. We want to break above that 3 cents area. We need to get above, like, we really need to get above the 618. I know we're bullish, but we can always be a little bit more bullish, right? You can't be bullish enough. We did break out of the downtrend since June of 2024, but nonetheless, that's old news. That is very old news. I don't care about that news. I want to know, where is Jasmy going now? And right now, what we need to focus on is overtaking that 618. Absolute worst case scenario I see for Jasmy here in the short term would be a pullback back down to around 2.5. You have your 2.8 here with the 786, but you have your micro 618 at 2.5. So if we get rejected at the larger 618 at 3 cents, I would look for a 2.5 for a higher low, than a rally to the upside from that point on. In my personal opinion, that just gives you another chance to DCA in on Jasmy, which in the meantime would actually validate this uptrend support area that's coming in. You see that? So if we actually drop from this high to this low, like I mentioned, you have the 618 on that micro fib exactly there at the uptrend convergence area. So there is that chance that Jasmy is going to be seeing a retracement here, but as long as we stay above these prior, let me draw the horizontal line so you guys have a better visual of it. As long as we stay above that 618, which you can see was a massive resistance area here, resistance area here, resistance area here. So as long as that holds up big as support, that could be the last decent sized move down for Jasmy until we start actually absolutely going nuclear up to around that 5 cents area at the 1618. So short term, unfortunately, I do think Jasmy might be a little toppy right now. Indicators are toppy. BTC's topping out. Some altcoins are starting to retrace a little bit. Nonetheless, this retracement, just because it's a retracement doesn't mean the coin's bearish. It's actually putting in a higher low, believe it or not. So a higher low in itself is bullish. So, coins don't go straight up forever. You're going to be seeing these slight retracements. So I'd be keeping an eye on either that 786 at 2.7 for a rally to the upside, or most likely the 618 uptrend convergence area, then a rally to the upside for Jasmy. But nonetheless, Jasmy is going to $1 plus this bull run, and we can verify that, or we can validate that by doing a fib from the high to the low right here. From this high to this low, you actually have a fib all the way up here at $6.96. Unfortunately, I don't think we're to hit that. Watch my other video and I'll explain why. But realistically, you do have a 1, 2, 3, 6 right here at about $1.15. So I think there is the chance that Jasmy does break $1 this bull run, or flirts with, flirts with it around 98, 99 cents, because that round number is very hard to beat. And plus Jasmy's market cap at that price range would be extremely high. But I seriously do think there is the chance that Jasmy is going to be breaking $1 this bull run. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.